When Ravana came to know about Kumbhakarna's death, he was shocked. He cried bitterly. Kumbhakarna was like his right hand, and Ravana loved him dearly. He was very angry and wanted to take revenge. Ravana ordered his son Indrajit to go to the battlefield and fight. Indrajit obeyed his father. Indrajit was trained in doing magical tricks. He was an expert in it. He flew up to the sky and became invisible. Indrajit, using his magical powers, created an illusionary Sita. He then made her sit in the chariot, brought her to the battlefield, and killed her. That was all done to cheat Rama and his army. Cheating in the battlefield or any matter anywhere is very bad. But Indrajit did this to make Rama feel weak. On seeing this, whole of the monkey army was shocked, and they felt that there was no use of fighting further. This was what Indrajit wanted. But Vibhishana knew about him and told Rama and the army that Indrajit should have used his magical powers to divert them. He also told them that Indrajit was planning to perform a sacrifice which would make him immortal. After listening to this only, everyone was relieved. Meanwhile, Indrajit went back to Lanka and gathered more army and weapons and returned to fight back with full force. Once again there was a fierce battle. Thousands of them were killed. It was Indrajit's day. Vibhishana kept on trying to boost the monkeys to fight bravely. Now Lakshmana came forward to fight with Indrajit. Both were fierce warriors, and their skills and strength was equal. Everybody was scared to watch such a fierce battle. Now once again, Indrajit, using his magical powers, became invisible and sent the Brahmastra at Lakshmana. On getting hurt, Lakshmana fell on the ground unconscious. Everyone was shocked to know that Lakshmana was hurt by the Brahmastra and that he was struggling between life and death. Brahmastra is considered to be one of the most powerful and deadliest weapons that can be used in the battlefield, and one who faces it always faces death. We'll see what happens to Lakshmana now.